Hello, good morning everyone. This is test video recording for our DPM 214. I would like to share with you the topics that we've learned or discussed yesterday from our professor, Dr. Hapos, about how we can search articles that is valid. So first, I would like to show you into this website, doaj.com. Now you are going to open this website, DOAJ, or Open Access Journal. Do not disturb me. Now, for example, you are going to have a keyword from topic that you would like to search. For example, educational management. And we will just use the easier one, bullying, for example. Bullying. Now you will going to check the journal and articles. Then you will going to check this advanced research. After that, you will going to through this screen you will going to search which topic you are related and you wanted to go over it. For example, you will going to choose this one, the first one, incidental bullying or workplace bullying arrest for this one. So before you will going to search this one, you will going to check the full text first. Here we go. This is the full text. This is free. So let's scroll it down, check the time. So this is it. You can see all the details or data that you are needed to compare for comparison. Now let's go back to the screen. For example, we will going to check this one, abstract. Now, naradi ang atong abstract. The abstract. So here you go. Now, if you were going to search if this is this topic is reliable, we will go and copy paste this one. Then copy the link address or simply copy. Then you will going to go to Google Scholar. You will identify yourself. You are not a robot, so that you will going to go directly. Then you will going to paste as plain text. Then search. See? Now, here we go. We have a lot of things to discover. You will find out that these articles are good if there are at least more than 10 who are cited by this one. There are star, quotation, cited, related articles, and all version. Now we will going to check the quotation. This quotation, you will going to see this one, the bibliography. In word, this quoted or gave. So as we are going to use this one, the APA. After this one, we will just close and check the cited one. Cited by. So there are 29 topic that cited the keyword of bullying. Now let's go back again to related articles. There are a lot of related articles with different version. 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth. I would like to share you next easiest things how we could for the next video presentation. That's all for the moment. Thank you.